Hello everyone, Tax Drop is giving out 10 USTD and also their native token to every tax doer. All you need to do is to perform a simple task to be able to earn this USTD into your wallet. But first of all, before I continue, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe into my YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video. So moreover, they will be giving out the daily local spin, which you're going to be clicking here every single day to earn this USTD inside your wallet. So as you can see, I've performed this task for today. I still have some hours just to get back here and spin again for me to earn some USTD. Now, to get the link of this site, it will be right there in the description of this video and also in the Telegram group. Make sure that you join us in our Telegram group to receive our daily updates based on cryptocurrency, Web3, and Airdrop. So let's go. So what you need to do firstly is to connect your wallet. You can use your MetaMask wallet, your Phantom wallet, or any other wallet that you want to use. Right here, I am using my MetaMask wallet. So once you connect your wallet, it's going to generate an address for you, which is your USTD address right here. So this is my USTD address, so that I can be able to withdraw some coin directly into my MetaMask wallet without any issue or fee. So here is my available wallet balance in the USTD. I have over 0.0800 USTD, and this is what I earn daily. I have generated some earnings, which I have over 1,300 taxes right here. So simple steps to start. Connect your Twitter. So all you need to do is to write down your Twitter name and click on connect. The secondary is to connect your YouTube account. This is my second channel, which is on YouTube, the Black Phantom. Just click right there. You will perform some simple procedures for you to connect this wallet, and this is totally simple, I assure you that. So once you are done connecting your wallet, all you need to do is to go right here. Just click right here. Okay, these are the simple taxes. It shows the Twitter taxes and the YouTube taxes. Twitter taxes goes right there. Just go ahead and click on the start taxes. It will take you to their Twitter platform. Go ahead, follow the name that you see right there, and you will earn 0.005 USTD and plus 100 token, which is the tax coin, immediately. So this is how you're going to be earning a lot of token just from performing all these taxes. You can as well go to the YouTube taxes and follow them on YouTube to be able to earn 0.01 USTD instantly and 100 tax coin. So once you do this, you'll be able to earn a lot of token. So once you do this daily, you're gonna be earning some coin and also your native token. So the native token will be released when this site launches out, which I really don't know when. But the USTD, you can be able to withdraw this USTD immediately, like instantly, whenever you want to. All you need to do is to make sure that you have got to the minimum withdrawal limit. So let's try it out. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the withdrawal section right here. As you can see, you need at least 5 USTD for me to be able to withdraw. So I have 0.08 and I'm going to be getting more tokens, and in the next video I'll be dropping about this tax drop that should be based on the withdrawal. I'm gonna wait a month or more so that I'm able to earn over 20 or 10 USTD before I withdraw. So make sure that you start up, make sure that you earn, and make sure that you follow us on our channel. So secondly, they are giving out a good commission, which is about 10% just for referring someone. So the more you refer, the more you'll be earning more tokens directly right here. Now this is a good update. I would like you guys to try it out. Stay tuned for other Web3 and crypto updates. See you guys in our next video.